friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Pam. I have a lot of plants and that's what we talk about here. Today, I've decided that I just don't have enough plants. So today we're on a quick little mission. I'm just going to do the rotation of my box stores that have plants in them. I want to see if there's any rare plants hiding. I like to do this once in a while. I intend not to spend any money, but you know, if something rare were to jump out at me, I could eat less lunch this week. So we're starting at Home Depot. I haven't been to Home Depot in a while, and let me just tell you, in the Home Depot versus Lowe's war, Home Depot's winning it in the plant department. Y'all ready to be disappointed? So it's the next day. I did end up getting something. But I'm sorry, there was no way I could walk away from all of those Hoyas and not get at least one of them. Now, I've already taken cuttings off of this thing and it is still so lush. Now, the problem is it weighs about 42 freaking pounds because it has so much water in the pot that if I don't get it out of here, it's probably going to die. So we're gonna take our useless generic tag off and get to work trying to get the nasty dirt out of this thing. I have no idea if we're gonna be able to do this. I'm a little freaked out, to be honest with you. So this is the last of 3 videos that I have filmed today, so bear with me and the shitty light right now as we are doing our best. So when it comes to these hanging baskets, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is to snap off the handles and try to do that without snapping off any parts of the plant. But we got the handles to the basket off. So generally I would try to like overturn a plant. Oh, okay, that worked and more water came out. Oh. This is after dumping the pot and letting it sit overnight to drain. Everyone in Home Depot should be arrested. So I'm just gonna try and get as much of this gross ass dirt out of here as I can without totally soaking the plant in mud. My arms are already tired because this weighs so much. Whoa, gross. The good news is the roots are not all black, so that's what I was a little afraid of. I was watching, I think it was Nick Pileggi's video the other day about his Hoya collection, and he said that this one takes a little bit more moisture than a lot of other Hoyas, and I was like, welp, good. Do you guys ever wonder how much money Home Depot must lose in plants just from like refusing to learn basic plant care? I'm probably also going to thin this plant out quite a bit because, I mean, it is just, it's so dense that there's no way that the sun's even going to be able to get to a lot of these leaves. So this pot is pretty skanky, but we're going to go with it. And I'm just using my regular mix, which is basically a potting mix that is both parts cocoa. Wow, the sky is so pretty out right now. Just going to hoist this little Hoya toupee into the pot somehow. So I think the best approach would be to pile these tendrils on top here. Try and separate them from the roots so that when I put this in, I'm not tucking in any leaves. Okay, so it's like a Hoya octopus. So I'm just sticking my hand in here alongside the roots and just wiggling my fingers really gently to try to work the soil and the roots together. So I'm just gonna like stuff each side, tap it in, and then I can let the rest of the plant fall over and we can see where we're at. All right, she is filthy. It is dark out, but we got her in a pot with some dry soil. So now it's just a waiting game to see how much damage it sustained while it was at, you know, Plant Murder Depot. So wish her luck. So thanks for coming shopping with me today, guys, and I will see you in the next video.